this box is a product that I have been waiting for quite a while. It is my my visors. So I had to send these visors out because they're too expensive for any time exclusive option to give you as a core. So they are packed in here. A little bit of extra packing. Of course, you get their brochure. And let's see how they turned out. This is my first look. I can already tell by the end that they're just beautiful. Oh my goodness. So, double stitching all across the front, French stitching across the back. Look at that. That's a work of art. Very impressive. Mirror needs to be cleaned. Just beautiful. Yeah, really nice. All right, that's one. Let's check out the other one. Careful not to drop it. And again, just beautiful. Really, really nice. There's a couple little marks on the leather, but that'll just rub out. That's from the, kicking around in the bag. I bet it rubbed against here a little bit. So nothing to be worried about. And again, with the light. And oh, you know what? I just noticed this is all covered with leather also. Look at that. This is leather also. Everything is leather. Wow. I'm even more impressed than I was, if that's even possible. So they're gonna sit up in there like this, and you'll see this stitching in the front. You'll never see the stitching in the back here. At least I don't think you will. We'll have to see. Let's put them in and see how they look. So nice. I'm really pleased. I waited a long time for these. These really are simple to put in. It's 2 screws and a little plastic plate. First thing you do is just power them up. Yeah, it just goes in one way. This. There, clicks in place. This wire would just go right there, and then this fits up. Probably a little different on the coupe. Light comes on. We have power. That's really nice. So you've got the stitching around the front. This is an exclusive option custom thing. So Porsche doesn't do this. Porsche just wraps the leather. Exclusive option gives you this option where you can have a kind of a double seam on the front, and it just really adds to it. Show you out in the light, everything is now stitched. And then if you're using the visor, so I didn't think you would be able to see the French stitching in the back, but if you're using the visor and you push it forward, that's when you see all the French stitching. Really nice, very pleased. And then these plastic things just go back in. And you can get these done in leather if you want. I'm not going to, but exclusive option will literally cover anything you want with leather. So these are not, that is not fitting very tight. I'm just going to heat this up a little bit and just kind of flatten it to get it to have a little bit more pressure when it's in. Actually, yeah, that's going to annoy me. So I'm going to flatten it out a little bit, give it a little bit more pressure. But first I'm going to install the other side. Put that in like that. The whole thing fits up in. All right, these are still a little warm. You can see all I did was I heated it up and then just pressed on it with a hot pad, just gently, you know. And this should be, it's pretty snug now. And I want to be careful not to force it because I bent those prongs out. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, see how tight that is? It's not going anywhere now. Yeah, perfect. Nice and tight. Put the other one in and pull the car out and give you a look in the sunlight. All right, here's what they look like with the top down. Just friggin' beautiful. Here's the mirror housing combined with the visors. Such a nice look. If you put them forward, you get all that nice stitching in there. And if you keep them in the up position, you get the stitching on this side. Combined with there, and of course there. This is the look I've been wanting. Really pleased. Really, really pleased. I think that looks really sharp. Yeah. Yep, I am happy with this look for sure. Very pleased. All right, well, as always, thanks for watching. I sure appreciate your views. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think. And please subscribe.